Hey, if you're like me, there's nothing worse than getting into a vehicle when it's extremely hot outside and your air conditioning is not working. Hi, I'm Keith Matone from Automotive Specialty Services, and I want to share with you some tips to be able to diagnose if your air conditioning system needs to be serviced or if it's working well and you're just not using it properly. So the first thing is that when you get into a car, and let's say it's really hot, car's been sitting outside, 80-degree weather, inside it's really, really hot. So what you want to do is start the vehicle up, turn the air conditioning on high, and get the windows down. Get the first initial heat out of the vehicle. The second thing you want to do then, put the windows back up, make sure you have it set on recirculation. That's another big issue. The purpose of the air conditioning is to remove the heat from the cabin. And if we don't have it on recirc, we're just introducing more heat inside the vehicle. The second thing you want to do is make sure your cabin filter is working correctly. We go all winter without using our air conditioning, and our cabin filters get clogged up. Sometimes that'll affect the performance of your air conditioning as well. The last thing that I think is probably the most important thing is if you have the capabilities of getting a car out of this direct sunlight. So if you live, let's say in a situation you put the car in the garage, well, that helps the vehicle and the air conditioning use it in the morning. When you first turn the air conditioning on, where it's not really, really hot inside the car. But if you have any questions after you do all that, your air not working, give us a call at 937-2886. We'll do a complimentary inspection on your air conditioning and make sure it's operating to the manufacturer's specifications. Thanks.